In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Cloudways servers and WordPress applications, a crucial task that ensures your data is safeguarded in case of unexpected issues. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create reliable backups in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to the Cloudways website, the managed cloud hosting platform that's both powerful and easy to use. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Cloudways site. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials, so go ahead and sign in to your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. On the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled My Server. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. This section is essential as it lists all the servers you currently manage, allowing you to select the specific server you want to back up. Once you're in the My Server area, you need to click on Your Server. This might feel a bit repetitive, but it's a necessary step to access the settings specific to your chosen server. After selecting your server, you'll find a tab labeled Backups. Click on this tab to open the backup options. Now, you're in the right place to start the process of backing up your data. You'll see various options that allow you to configure how and when your backups occur. Here is a little tip. You can set your backup frequency to daily to ensure you're always covered. It's a set it and forget it type of convenience that helps maintain peace of mind. You should also check the retention period for these backups. Keeping them for at least 2 weeks is a good practice for quick recovery from any recent issues. The great thing about Cloudways is its simplicity in performing tasks like these. You don't need extensive technical knowledge to protect your information. With these straightforward steps, you've effectively created a backup system that provides a safety net for your server and WordPress applications. Regular backups are not just a precaution, they're an essential step in maintaining a secure and reliable online presence. Keeping your data safe is an ongoing task, so remember to periodically revisit these settings to ensure everything is running smoothly. By staying proactive, you'll be prepared for any data recovery needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.